맛있게 드세요.
감사합니다.
근데요, 오징어는 추가하시면 안 돼요. 한쪽만 반말이요. 보통 주세요.
I can feel the demons of last night coming out of me. Last night was absolutely crazy. So much makgeolli, so much food. We went to the noraebang and had some more beer. The very famous Jeonju hangover cure, Kongnamul-Guk. I will say officially, I feel extremely hungover. The sun is very beautiful, but I am not enjoying it right now. How do you feel? Are you hungover?
Slow.
Right now we're heading to Nambu market. We're gonna go to this place called Hyundai-ok. We're gonna do a before and after. We're gonna see just how well Jeonju's Kongnamul-Guk can cure an extreme makgeolli hangover. We got our soup, and it comes with 2 fried eggs, poached eggs. Wow, there's a lot of garlic, a lot of gochu, pepper. I got some squid added to mine, but you're supposed to add a little bit of the soup into the egg,
Yeah.
like a little bit, and then mix it up. And then this is going to be a super savory yoki soup. I'm just gonna stir it up for a little bit so the garlic really gets integrated. Wow. Oh, it's super nice. It's super like clean, very spicy. I love it. Hangover, it feels so perfect for a hangover, to be honest.
Yeah.
Wow. It's very good. Love it. Alright, let's try a little bit with the egg. I'm excited about this. Wow. This is so good. See why this is Jeonju soul food. Healing food for sure. And gim. Very good. I already feel like a little bit better. I needed something in my stomach. It's really spicy and it's saltier than I thought it would be. Like a little bit salty, which surprises me. Wow, so much kongnamul too. Really good. I feel like in Jeonju there's two styles of food. There's like drinking food and then hangover food. It's what drives the culinary world here. It's amazing. You can get either bisundae or 콩나물국, some soup that really helps you feel. We got the 청양고추. You can put it in like this and just take some 콩나물 and eat it like this. It's really good. So even though this place is super popular, price is really low. It's 6,000won for a bowl. Give you some squid, ojingo, for 2,000 more. The egg, it's not just straight up eggs. It's eggs with chamgiram, chammat. I can feel the demons of last night coming out of me. Oh man, when you take the gim with a bite of the kongnamul, it's like heaven, man. So again, I'm sorry if Courtney and I seem a little tired in this video. But to me, this is the best time to eat this. Like, you should eat this when you're hungover in Jeonju after having lots of makgeolli. We should get moju too.
보통 넷 하나에만 반말이요.
Overall, we had a great time in Jeonju. Amazing time having makgeolli with our friends Jürgen and Kate. How do I feel after having the Kongnamul-Guk? I can honestly say I feel at least 80% better. I had a pretty massive hangover. My headache is gone. My stomach feels much nicer from the spicy soup. However, I think the soup made me more tired and more sleepy. So we're gonna head back to Daejeon. Courtney, what do you feel? How's your hangover? She didn't have a hangover. She can handle the makgeolli. Jeonju, you guys know how to cure hangovers. That's a good soup.